Right, I got a update for JPM. I think JPM is set up to test 95 to 96. The question is, do they do this? Do they run it up into earnings or not? So we're going to look for confirmation because they might. And this is the key. So this is something that I'm going to look at. Plus, this is an update to my prior plan where we made about 300% gains for 2 days. Don't think it'll be that easy this time, but 100% gains, 150% to 200% gains could be possible if we get the action. So JPM is set up to this 95 to 96. The July 21, 92.5 calls could be used. Targets are 95 to 96. Again, I will explain the facts in the video. Alright, so JPM needs to show power towards and volume as it breaks 92. And good action volume is 2 million on a 10-minute chart. Now, if the volume is not there, then I will explain the video. Okay, so basically then I'm going to want to watch for basing above 92 and look to see if we have power push through 92, 30 to have to, if anything, even over 92 and a half. So it's in that range of 92 to 92 and a half where we're looking for some power and pressure. And that's good indication. The stock is set up in a way that, we're going to go test. We want to see how we slice through 94. Now, if we have an issue at 94, one might want to take profits, but the potential of 95 and then them playing around there could happen. So there's a scenario between 94 to 95, and of course it could very well make a nice move to 96. These are the possible targets that I see for JPM. And make sure you take profits. Now let me show you something before we Alright, so before we go take a look at the options, I want to show you something pretty interesting. On June 27th I posted a plan for JPM, and these options are still up 100% regardless of you seeing the two down bar days. Let's take a look at the options in the video here quickly. So now I'm inside that video where I had the first plan, and just like this plan you're seeing, this is how I make my plans. You can see that we had to enter as we were to break above 88 and a half. This happened, the entry was around 88, 80, 88, 90. And the options costed about 90 cents. I'm going to show you that, but I'll show you what they costed before in the video. So here I am in the video where we see that JPM closed at 88.05, and just like this video I'm going to show you the options as well. But let's see, this is the video of the plan that I just showed you now. So let's see what this is when JPM was at 88 on July 20, June 27th. So let's just wait for me. Here's the July 21 options that we're going to use, and let me show you why. So look at what's interesting about this. So if we go down and we look at the 87.5 calls, you'll see that today there was 3,450 contracts traded at $1.75 closing. Okay, and also open interest 9,948. Now, I'm showing the open what's also interesting is the then 90s. I moved to the 90s. Okay. 22,823 open interest in the options, the 8 cents. So look at it. I'm going to put a pause here so you can see that I'm showing the 90 July 21 90 calls. Now those were at the time, people. Those were 70 cents. Now I'm going to go to Power Trigger Trade. We're going to go show you on the stream. So here I am at Power Target Trades. As you can see, I posted the confirmation of those July 21 90 calls at 90 cents. Let's go take a look at the options for the new plan and what the options closed on the old plan. Just imagine. And they actually hit high 300%, but let me explain. Alright people, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and JPM closed at 91.40 for July the 30th, and this is the new plan. But let's take a look at something here. So here's the July 21 options. Now we're going to look at the new options, but let's look at the 90s. As you can see, the 90 calls are trading at $2 and about, we'll say about $2.10. You can see there's a ton of open interest. But you also saw on my stream that they triggered at 90 cents, and in the plan before they triggered, they were at 70 cents. And as you know, we had a high of 93. Those options hit a high of about 3 points. That's about a 300% gain in about 2 days from the confirmation. Of course, if you just held, you're still up profits. Now we have another plan. Let's take a look at the new options, and we'll talk about the 92.5. And as you can see, the 92.5 options cost about 83 cents, about 90 cents, we'll say. Let's just close at 92 cents. And you can see that there's some good trading happening here, and there's some good open interest as well. Interesting thing, as you can see, even the 95 calls have a lot of open interest. Though I would prefer using, I wouldn't go that far out. The sweet spot in this confirmation plan, we're looking about 100%, 150% gains. It could do better, right? I don't think it'll be as good as the other plan, but I see potential that you never know, right? And that's the thing of plans. You want to take the best situation, and there's a possibility they might want to ram it before earnings. JPM, something. This is a little unique situation. All right, people, welcome here to Power Target Trades, the place where I play some great plans. You check out my Apple plan. I like this cat plan as well. And a lot of people might not like it, but you know what? If it can confirm, this could be a good winner. And this JPM plan, the same thing. I like it. If it could confirm, of course. The prior JPM plan, you can see, was posted over here about 4 days ago, right? And of course, honestly, in just about 2 days of holding that, you're looking at about 300% gains. Don't expect this to be as easy this time, but I do expect that it's possible to make 150 to 200% gains, to even as low as 100% gains, if this could confirm my secondary JPM plan. Anyways, people, I make a lot of great plans. As you can see, confirmation is key. Very detailed plans. You see this video, it's very detailed, from the options to use, from the entries to the volumes. It's all detailed. And also, I wanna also post for you guys the original JPM plan. Check it out. Do your research. See how detailed. Nobody does this like Power Target Trade. Nobody does it like me, people. Power Target Trades, people. See the center Power Target Trade? It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. People, I make a lot of great winning plans more often than not. The winners take away any deflate the losers, and the winners are 80% of the time, and high win rates, high gains, except like JPM, huge gains in that. Anyway, see the standard Power Target Trade is going to appear in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like the video.